Welcome back to another video of SOS signals on steroids, and we're currently on USD JPY, and I'm gonna analyze the market for you and give you my bias. Okay, so we're on the 4 hour time frame, and I like to start analyzing on the 4 hour. And just from looking at it, we can tell that the market is in a downtrend because it's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Well, in this case, see, in this case right here, it made the same high, which is still a valid trend. If the market, let's see, if the market closed up here and started doing something like this, then we can say that it's doing an uptrend, but it did not, and the structure is still valid. All right, let's focus on what's currently happening. So we have this little section right here, and we can identify some support and resistance. This was one, and it looks like this may be one as well. This is one as well. And we also see that price had a run and it's doing something like it's retracing a little bit. So we can use our Fibonacci retracement to pinpoint that retracement area. So we're going to go from the highest point to the lowest point in downtrends. And if it's an uptrend, you're going to do from the lowest point to the highest point. But since it's a downtrend, we're going to do high to low. And you're going to match it up with the wick and not with the body of the candle, not in that area or not here. You're going to go right at the wick. And the retracement areas that I'm looking for is something around here. These retracement areas. This is also one, but I don't really, use it as often. And coming in on the smaller time frame, you can see a little bit of a pattern, a candlestick pattern, or a trading pattern, and that is a double top. We have a double top on the resistance area on a 1 hour time frame, which is good enough for me. And a double top is basically an M. We have the top, the neckline, and the top again, and then the push below the neckline. And then what usually happens sometimes is a retest of the neckline right here. And you can see that neckline almost matches perfectly with our retracement area that we were looking for. We were looking for anything that could push us in one of these directions, a confluence that kind of lines up with one of these retracement areas. And that's why I'm kind of picking the 38.2 level, because it is matching with the neckline of this double top, which is why I will be like selling somewhere in this area, because my forecast is that it will, or it might come here and then go all the way down here to the negative 27 extension, which is a take profit area when you're using the Fibonacci retracement. And another reason, or another confluence, is that there's also the EMA that's running through it right here, which is like a moving support and resistance. So that's a confluence I'm adding. But as you can see, previously, it doesn't always magically bounce off right off the EMA, like right here. It didn't just tap it and went down, it went above it a little bit. And right here, it did not obey the EMA, and it did not obey the EMA right here. And it might not right here as well. But I am still taking that trade because of the other confluences I have. And I would love to hear your confluences on what you think USD JPY is going to do. Drop it in the comment section and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Practice proper risk management, and I'll see you guys in the next one.